intro. Okay. Alright. Do this, guys. Hi, hi. Oh, do some. Do some. Oh, frick. No, my hairline. By the way, guys, I'm looking at my face right now. Oh my gosh, I was looking at my face. I'm looking at you guys, bro. I'm gonna look at you guys. I'm doing this. How much chicken do I get? Oh, did you guys see that? But I'm gonna recreate it. No, hold on. His head came off while he was on the seesaw. Like that. Like, oh my goodness. Holy frick. No. So, what you gotta do is this. Like that. That's what happened. Alright, here we go. Frick. The hairline! Oh, frick, I almost didn't make it. I almost didn't make it. What the frick? My chest came off. That was sick. Had it montage. Hold on. Amazing.
It's not just a phase. Now let me explain. I'm working through some shit. Sometimes I'm medicated. It's hard to relate the thoughts in my brain. I'm working for a life that's not domesticated. It never goes the way that you plan. Success is a door that always slams. I'm trying to break it. I'm trying to break it. Searching for words and waiting for signs. I struggle to find the rhythm and rhyme. Don't know how to say it. Don't know how to say it. Cause I'm losing my mind.